In the energy quadrant, taking a look at the April WTI crude oil futures contract, which now has 2 consecutive days lower under its belt. And more than that, 4 of the last 6 sessions, crude oil has now finished lower. WTI dropped today below $94 a barrel, but then popped back up in toward the close, back above $95, finishing the day just short of down 7% from yesterday's settlement. But on the low today, we were down 9.2% at 93.53. We almost got up to 96 and toward the close, but even the high today was 0.4% lower than yesterday's close. The high today, 102.58. The close yesterday, 103.01. Now, since the high on March 7th, I already mentioned that WTI has fell 4 of the last 6 sessions, but it's also fallen over a total of 26%. In 3 of those 4 sessions, crude oil fell more than 5%. One of those sessions, it was down about 12%. So a very dramatic fall from where it was at the highs of 130.40 in the futures contract. Part of it is the Iranian talks may be back on. Russia has said that the U.S. has provided written guarantees that sanctions imposed over the geopolitical tensions won't affect its nuclear supply agreement with Iran. So that potentially clears the way for a resumption of those talks, which could put Iranian crude oil back on the market. That's according to a story by Bloomberg Quint. But also China demand potentially could be slowing down given what's going on there. You've got a Hang Seng index that was down 11% on Monday, down 6% last night, and there's a lot of pressure despite the monetary accommodation that's going on in China over the closure of one of its major manufacturing hubs, Shenzhen, which has 17.5 million people. So the potential weakening of Chinese demand also put pressure on crude oil prices today.